Hey everybody, welcome to IncomeSmasher. Today we're going to learn how to make money online in 2021. All right, and there's several different ways you can make money. Most of the stuff we're going to revolve around blogging or setting up a website. So let's just dive right in and see how you can make money in 2021 online. All right. So one of the first ways you can do it is if you love to take pictures. Let's say you're a picture fanatic and you go out and take pictures all the time, trees, landscapes, waterways, oceans, whatever. You can go here, 123RF, or any of the other big deposit photo areas. These are, I use 123RF and DepositPhotos are the two I use to get stock photos for my websites. And you can monetize your photos, vectors, sound, and footage creations. All you have to do is, like I said, go to 123RF, and you can work with them so that they give out commissions. You can earn anywhere from 30 to 60% commissions for each license sold. So every time your picture is sold, you get a percentage. 5 million potential buyers on 123RF, local presence worldwide. So you can do anything, photos, vectors, video clips, audio clips. How do you get paid? You get paid by your, however you want to, PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and Alipay for China. Looks like all payments are made automatically on the 15th of every month. And once you reach the $50 worth of commission, you get paid. All right, so that's one way. If you're big into photography, I'm not, so I don't use that way. Another thing you can do, buy a website. All right, so this is called MotionInvest. Everything that I talk about today will be in the description. So if you need links to go to all these websites, you don't have to sit and hurry and write it down. I'll have it all for you in the description. You can just go over and click it and go over and check them out. So you just go to buy sites. I like MotionInvest because what they do is they go out and they look for websites that are for sale or that owners that are going to sell their website, and they actually negotiate, buy it. They make sure everything's in order, make sure that they're not using PBNs, make sure the site is just in really good shape. And then they usually sell it for 3 to 4 times multiple. So as you can see, the profit here per month is $400, round up. 400 times 12 months is $4,800. So as you can see, this one's like 3 times multiple because they're asking $13,668. It's been around 5 years, and it's about office chairs. So it's a affiliate program. Most of these are affiliate sites, and like I said, they give you the sales price and the profit per month, how many visitors, what the domain authority is, and you can make a decision if you want to buy. There's also Flippa, but Flippa's a little risky, only for the fact if you're brand new, you don't know what you're buying all the time. And I also use BizBuySell. Same thing. Most of the time they're pretty decent, but you got to do your research. You got to really know. Good thing about MotionInvest, they actually take control of the websites, make sure everything's great before they sell it to you. So you kind of get that extra scrutiny before you buy them. The other thing you can do, you can start your own YouTube channel, just like I got my YouTube channel. You can go to YouTube, set yourself up with a channel, and start posting videos like these people have. The Black Conservative, Ben Shapiro. These guys are all people that have started their own YouTube channel. RJ Young, I like this guy. He talks about football, college football. So there's just different things you can do. Mine's about how to get income, how to increase income, IncomeSmasher. So it's all about how do you make money, how do you make money online, how to start a blog, how do you get things up and running so that you can make money. And then the other thing is you can do display ads, right? So like if you look over here on Dirt Bike Planet, oh look, when I go to this blog on dirt bikes, there's an ad down here. And then if I view a post, there's probably some ads, right? Like an ad right here. So different ads that are placed. See, ad choices. So these are video ads. And so they make money off that. The other thing Dirt Bike Planet does is they can also sell ebooks. Now, if I click this, it's a dirt bike manual. See, you can buy this ebook, everything about dirt bikes. So if you love dirt bikes, you can just buy this. I don't know how much it is. Let's check it out. $14.95, which isn't a big hit to your pocketbook, right? But if you want to learn everything about how to repair dirt bikes, it's a great book for you. You can download it, comes right to your email. And the good thing is, once these guys create this book, and it's all comprehensive, $14.95 is profit, pure profit. They don't have to ship you anything. They don't have to do anything. So ebooks is a great way, if you really have a good knowledge of whatever the subject is, and you can write, a really good ebook on it. It's a great way to make money. The other thing they do is, they have affiliates on here, so recommended gear. So they have links throughout their blog posts and different things, and they recommend like helmet cameras and helmets, the best boots to wear when you go riding. And these links will all go to Amazon or different other affiliate programs, and they'll get paid a little commission for every time you buy something from those sites. Now, another thing you can do is sites like these can accept guest posts. I don't think this site does, but you can have, somebody write a guest post for you and charge them $50 to post the guest post on your blog. And then usually you give them a backlink back to their site. This site, I don't know if they do it or not, but that's something you can do to make money for your website. If your website's, got a DR ranking of 30 and does really well, have a lot of traffic, people would be interested in guest posting, and you could charge them for posting content on your site. So not only you get content, you get paid. The affiliate sales we'd already talked about. You can sell sponsored posts, a similar thing. You just have a set fee, like $100 for them to put a post on there with a backlink. And then you can also do e-courses. Now, they don't have an e-course on this one, but here's a couple different e-courses. Income School is one of the places that I'd signed up for a couple years ago. I use their Project 24, their e-course. So you sign up for their program, and it's training videos and all this stuff you get access to. It's like a membership site. $449 for the year, and you get access to everything. Now, every year that renews $449. So you either cancel at the end of the 12 months or it keeps renewing. So that's an e-course, and they make, once this e-course is up, they update the content often, but it's $450 a month for them, or $450 a year for them, and let's say they have 1,000 members or 2,000 members. For $500 for a year, they're making some good money, and that renews every year. You also got Authority Hacker is another system that I use, and I like these guys a lot. Their system is also similar to Income School. It's a training on how to do affiliate, A to Z, everything you need to do, how to start websites. It's real in-depth training, but it's $1,000 for a year. And same thing. I'm not sure if they renew every year. I think it's $1,000, one lump e-course. Boom, you're good. Now, if you want to start a course and you don't want to do your own website or do all this, posting, on a blog and getting traffic, you can just go to Udemy. And like I said, all this stuff's going to be in the description. All the links, everything you need. So you don't have to write this down. But these guys, they can make some money. Look at this one. 335,000 people commented and rated this complete 2020 Python bootcamp. At $20 a pop, if 300,000 people bought his course to date, and there's more because that's just who's rated it. there's probably way more sales than that. I mean, this person, Jose Portilla, is killing it. They sell everything, on IT and teaching you karate and self-defense and, you name it, and you can learn it on Udemy. So like I said, links in the description. You can check it out. The other thing is, maybe you like to talk, but you don't want to be on a, video. You can do podcasts. So the 5 highest earning podcast people, is Joe Rogan. I think most people's heard of Joe Rogan, right? UFC announcer. And, he makes a lot of money. In 2019, he made $30 million off his podcast. Now, I know he was well known before his podcast. So, that kind of helps. But, here's another 2 people right here, Karen in Georgia, 15 million. Suspense and drama podcasts. Never listened to it. Don't know what it is, but it's something you can go check out. Maybe something you can duplicate. Dave Ramsey, most people know him, gives a lot of financial advice, tells you how to not lose your money, and very popular, has courses that people take. So not only does he make $10 million on his podcast, just think of all the money he makes on all the courses he sells, which, like I said, is his own course that he developed, he marketed and sold. Big money in that. Dax Shepard, from TV, same thing. He has a lot of 9 million on his podcast. All right, and then the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is, like freelancing. So going out, if you're an expert at designing websites, making logos, you can go to places like Fiverr, or you can go to Upwork, and you can sell your services to people for money. And a great way to make money. It really works well. So you can either try Fiverr or Upwork. Like I said, check out our description. Have all these websites listed, what they do, and how you can sign up to make money. And then, please subscribe and hit the like button. Check out all the new videos I've got coming out on, how to make income in 2021 and beyond. So hopefully you like this. And like I said, if you can, hit the subscribe and like button.